Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 94, binary tree in order traversal. It's a really straight up problem in which we'll be given a root of a tree and we have to traverse that tree in an in order fashion. So when we talk about in order traversal, what do we mean? Okay, so if we have given, we are talking about in order traversal. Okay, and let's say if we have given a tree with a root node, some left subpart or left subtree, and then a few nodes on the right. Okay, in order traversal, we'll first traverse everything on the left part of the root, then we'll go to the root node, and then we'll move towards the right part. Okay, so essentially the result will look like something like this. We first sorry yeah, we first traversed everything on the left. Okay, then we move to the root and then to the right. For example, let's say if we had 1 2 3. Okay, if we traverse this tree in an in order traversal, we would have got 2 1 3. Okay, so this is what we are going to do to solve this problem. So we'll be using recursive methods. Okay, so we'll be using recursion. Okay, and what we will be doing is I'll define a recursive function, let's say in order. Okay, for each node which we receive, I'll pass in the left subtree to the recursive function. Okay, to the recursive call. Okay, once it is all processed, we'll come to the root node, right? For that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create or maintain a resultant array in which I'll be appending down the values of the root node. Okay, after doing this, we'll again call the in order recursive function and we'll pass everything on the right. Okay, these are the three simple steps which we are gonna do. Moving to the solution, this is the code which we have which I have already prepared for you. So as you can see at the top, I have defined a empty array in which we will be keeping our results. Okay, the final result. Then I defined a recursive function by the name of inorder, and at each step we are passing a node into it. Okay, if node has some value, for example, it is possible that there is no node or no subtree on the left side. Okay, so we need not to process that. With each valid node, we are picking or we are calling the recursive function with the left subtree. Okay, we are simply appending the current value, like current node value, and after that, like, we are again calling a recursive function for the right subtree. Okay, in line number 15, I have just initialized this recursive function, and at the last we are just returning out the results. So let's check out for the base cases. And yeah, so all the cases got accepted. Let's submit it for further evaluation. And as you can see, the solution got accepted. Okay, I would say, like, we performed decent. We have outperformed 44.80% on the users, and on the memory part more than 54%. So yeah, thanks again guys for watching out the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.